Yeah.
The silly thing about the point system is you could look out your window and you could describe something, 2 points to the starboard, but then you go to plot it on a chart, you go to plot it on a radar. Now you have to convert points back to degrees. So you may as well have said degrees.
That's what I was gonna say. Yeah, degrees will
10,
work fine,
20,
right?
30,
Yeah.
When we're talking about degrees, 90, right? Half of 90 is 45. That's a real simple way of describing stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
But I'd rather use that 24-hour
Clock
scenario.
I think everyone knows the clock
Yeah.
since
Okay.
forever, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
I'd hope so.
in the event of a man overboard, you don't raise the alarm and say, man overboard, 6 points.
Yeah.
No one's gonna know what the hell you're saying.
Skip, be like, what?
No one's gonna know what the heck you're saying.
Hard to pull our stuff.
16
We're
points
fine right
now.
now.
Okay. I want to talk about one more thing about a man overboard. Gives me the opportunity to talk about it that we missed is distance. Okay. So you might have to describe a look or a direction. You may also have to describe a distance. Okay, because your boat's going forward at such a speed, someone falls over. You're gonna leave them in the dust. Okay. Distance. And I
50
want
feet, 100 feet.
to talk about distance in general. Okay. Never mind about the man overboard now, let's just talk about distance. Okay, how do we describe distance? Okay. Distance. We're always using which unit? Nautical. Nautical mile. Why do we use nautical mile? Is there a straight to water? Water.
From shore to.
Because of latitude.
Yeah.
Remember? Right. There's 180 degrees of latitude from the south to the north, right? We know that there's
1.8 nautical miles in a kilometer.
Yeah, we're not gonna think about that though. He's always trying to screw us up, eh?
I thought you would. That's what you're asking.
Always trying to make us learn more than we
For
actually need to
plotting
know.
on a chart, it gives you.
Okay?
your knowledge.
1 nautical mile equals 1
1 minute.
minute, okay? 60 nautical miles equals
1 hour.
1 degree.
Oh,
To the wind.
Or, yeah, same thing, almost, right?
Almost.
Almost. Okay?
It's 60 minutes.
1 nautical mile equals how many feet?
Oh, now I don't know.
6,000,
223.
okay? 6,000 feet, okay? What is 0.1 nautical
Oh,
mile?
that's right, you know. Okay, I'm still trying to do the math in my head.
0.1 nautical mile is 1/10 of a mile. Therefore, 1/10 of a mile is
60 feet?
600 feet, okay? Now, if you don't remember all this, remember this. 1 cable, don't know why they use cable either, it should just be 1/10 of a mile.
Is it
Okay.
skate too, they say?
1 cable equals 600 feet. Again, this is someone trying to sound more intelligent than they actually are, okay? 1 cable equals 600 feet. Remember that, okay? I have never found myself navigating and describing a situation where something's a cable away. Just say 1/10 of a freaking mile, man. Okay? We live in a world, a digital world, everything is based around zeros and decimals. Okay?
Yeah.
Cable, stupid term. 1 cable equals 600 feet. Just remember that. Okay?
1 cable is 600.
Okay?
I mean, that league, what's a league?
I don't know. Always ask me random facts that I don't know.
You already know the answer to the question you're asking them 90% of the time.
All
I
the
can't remember
time.
what it is.
All the time.
It's
Yeah.
probably like so many fathoms or something.
Oh, okay. Fathoms. Okay, let's
There
get
we go.
it.
Yeah, fathoms. Yeah,
So we describe distance,
2
miles,
meters.
minutes, degrees.
2 meters per
6,000
fathom.
feet. Okay.
2 meters, 6 feet per fathom.
Okay, so we describe distance like this. Now, when we describe depth, again, write this down. Okay. When we describe depth, now we're mostly using meters, but fishermen, we use
Fathoms.
fathoms. Why do
So-
we use fathoms? Because a fathom is roughly the length of
Of
our
your
arm
arms.
span, okay?
It's
When you're
easy-
dealing
it's
with-
easy to measure out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
when you're
Yeah, I got short arms. He's like, what the
Hey,
Yeah,
don't
don't let this guy do the gear work and measure out
Yeah.
the buoy
Short.
line.
So-
Yeah, because if he does the buoy line, you're gonna chuck your crab trap
Gonna be
over and your
short.
buoy's just gonna hit you here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay.
6 feet ruling on the mouth
per
measure, he does
fathom.
a couple extra.
Actually, I do a pretty good job.
Yeah.
6
Okay.
feet per fathom, 2 meters
Okay.
per fathom.
Before, again, this metric system, which I think the metric system is beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice.
Beautiful thing, unless you're American, you think otherwise. Right? The metric system got us to space. Ain't nobody using fractions getting to sending a rocket to space, right? Metric system, we use metric system now, but when we talk about depth,